Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable JavaScript on your iPhone. Now if you have JavaScript actually enabled on your iPhone, it does allow you to do different features on the iPhone, for instance on Safari on certain applications. However, if you don't have any applications or you don't use Safari or the web browsers, some people find JavaScript makes their iPhone a little bit clunky and prefer to turn it off. And to turn it off is quick and easy. So first, let's head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. And then now we're in the iPhone main settings here, let's scroll all the way down until we get to Safari. And let's tab into that. Now we're in the main Safari settings, let's scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then let's tab into this advanced here. Now as you can see here in the advanced section, the second option down is JavaScript. As you can see, the tab is green, so this indicates that JavaScript is currently turned on. If you don't want JavaScript on, you can tab this off so it's greyed out, and this will turn off JavaScript on your iPhone. But as I said at the start, JavaScript allows some websites to work correctly and some applications. However, if you're finding it's more of a problem, then you can turn it off here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.